Whenever I'm started this concept, immediately there are several people are asking, sir, what is the factory method or what is the unmodifiable? The Java application wants to communicate with the JVM runtime object is required. R is equal to runtime dot get a runtime. Runtime is a class. Runtime is a class. Get runtime is a method. Sir, it is a static method. By using class name, if we are calling a method, that method returns a same class object. Such type of method is called static factory method. Sir, I have date format. Date format df is equal to date format dot get instance. Date format is a class. Next, get instance is a method. Get instance is a static method because we are calling sir by using class name static method. Same date format object only we are going to get. Remember that by using class name, if we are calling a method, that method returns a same class object. Factory method. List dot of method is there, sir. It is an interface. By using interface name, we are calling a method. That method is always static method only. That's why of method present inside list interface is the factory method. So what is the factory method, sir? By using class name or interface name, if we are calling a method, that method returns a same type object. Such type of methods are called static factory methods.